Hello students, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture I will discuss a question from the modern physics topic, especially from the nuclear physics. The question as follows. There are four statements A, B, C, D, and we need to check which one is the correct option, appropriate answers. So we need to check all these. Radioactivity is a random and spontaneous process and is dependent on physical and chemical conditions. Obviously, it is a random process, 100% correct. Spontaneous process, yes, 100% correct. But depend on physical and chemical conditions is wrong. It does not depend on any external conditions. Okay, so it is a statistical law. Radioactivity is a statistical phenomena, purely statistical. That's why the word random. So it does not depend upon the external conditions, something like pressure, something like temperature. So it does not depend upon the external factors. Okay, so that means this statement is wrong. Next, the number of undecayed nuclei in a radioactive sample decays exponentially with time. Undecay means active nuclei. Obviously, we all know that active nuclei, according to the statistical law of radioactivity, active nuclei at any instant is e power minus exponential. So the graph of this will be, if I plot n versus t graph, exponential decay graph will be seen. So that means this is correct. B option is correct. Okay, so then slope of the graph of number of undecayed nuclei, log of number of undecayed versus time represent the reciprocal of mean life. So let us take the log of this quantity. They are talking about this quantity. I am taking a log of this quantity. Logarithm of n will be is equal to logarithm of n naught plus logarithm of e power minus lambda t. So logarithm of n will be is equal to logarithm of n naught minus lambda into t, because e power x with log e power x is simply the x. Okay, so with this, if I draw log n on y-axis and time is on x-axis, this looks like y is equal to some constant minus mx. So slope is obviously here lambda. So we all know that mean life, whatever the mean life we talk about this, it is reciprocal of the lambda. Mean life or average life is equal to 1 upon lambda. So exactly correct. So that means if I plot log n versus t, y is equal to, the graph looks like something like this. It is of negative slope. Okay, so that means C is correct option. The last option, the product of decay constant and half-life is not a constant. We all know that half-life is equal to log 2 multiplied by lambda. If I take the product, lambda into t half is equal to log 2, obviously it is a constant. It is a constant. So this is wrong. So B and C are the right options. That B and C are right options are here. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget like and share.